Hello everyone, welcome back on here. I trust you're all doing well and fine. Today we are going to be putting together a very quick healthy salad you can enjoy during your weight loss journey. So sit back, relax and watch me. So the first ingredient I'll be starting with is onions. I'll be using red onions. You can actually use white onions as well. I'll be using just half of the onions because I'm making a very small platter. To help reduce the acidity, I'll be soaking it in vinegar water. I want to also say thank you so much to all of the amazing persons who have been supporting me on this channel, watching my videos. I truly appreciate you all. And if you're here for the first time, please do not forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification to all. You can get notified whenever I drop a video, and please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop me your comments so that I know that you were here. So for this salad, I'll be using very inexpensive ingredients, something you can easily put together and enjoy. Now the onions is ready. I just added in water after putting the onions in a bowl, and I'll add in a bit of vinegar and I'll set aside while we prep the other ingredients. Next, we are prepping the salad dressing. For this dressing, we're not using mayonnaise or any other, just a simple vinaigrette. I'm juicing the lemon. Next, I'll be using some blood orange. I'll be juicing it in addition to the lemon juice. This is to help sweeten the salad dressing. All done now. We are going to be adding up a few other ingredients to the salad dressing. White pepper, salt, just a pinch of salt, and now olive oil. That will be all for the salad dressing. I'll just mix together and set aside. Next is our romaine lettuce. All of these ingredients I have washed thoroughly in vinegar water, so you can use vinegar or salt water to wash your ingredients very well. All done, I'll set this aside. Next is our cucumbers. I enjoy eating my cucumber without the skin, so that's why I'm taking off the skin. I'll be using just half of this cucumber. You can cut the cucumber into whatever shape you prefer. All done now, I will set aside. Our next ingredient is sweet paprika. If you have not been eating sweet paprika and you're on a weight loss journey, then you need to include this in your diet because it has appetite suppressing properties. It also contains antioxidant properties. So I'm using different colors and I'm cutting them just the way I cut the cucumbers. All done now, I will set this aside. Next is our tomatoes, avocado, pear, all prepped. I'll be using boiled eggs, all prepped, some walnuts. So now time to put the ingredients all together. First, the lettuce, cucumbers, in no particular order, I just put them all in the platter. Tomatoes, walnuts. If you're allergic to walnuts, you can take it out. The paprikas, avocado, and now the soaked onions, eggs, all ready. Time to add the dressing. So I just drizzle on top of the salad the vinaigrette dressing. This is ready. If you have watched to this point, I appreciate you and I say thank you. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.